What's up guys, did you know that you can actually earn credit card rewards point by paying rent? So if you're one of the 44 million US renters out there, you have to check out this credit card called Bilt. Bilt is one of my favorite credit cards that I opened last year, and the reason why I haven't put out the review till now is because I wanted to give it at least 6 months before I share my honest opinions with you guys. So in this video, I will cover what I like, what I don't like about the Bilt credit card. So after using it for 6 months, I can confidently say that Bilt is my favorite no annual fee credit card. Nice. Much better than the Chase Freedom Unlimited or the City Double Cash. Not just because of the 1% back you get back on rent, which you wouldn't otherwise get through ACH, but also its amazing transfer partner program, which allows you to redeem for flights and hotels and even fitness classes. So if this interests you, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and keep on watching, because I'm also gonna teach you some bonus tips which will get you extra Bilt points, as well as some things you should watch out for. Without further ado, let's get right into it. Alright guys, let's start with the basics. So Bilt is a master credit card that charges $0 annual fee, which gets you 1% back on rent, 2% back on travel, and 3% back on dining related purchases. And because it's part of the MasterCard program, it also gets additional card benefits. And these additional benefits include cell phone insurance, purchase assurance, the World Elite MasterCard Concierge. And because it's part of the World Elite MasterCard program, it also gets additional benefits such as DoorDash credits, 3 months of DoorPass membership free as a new member, and $5 off of first 2 orders per month. It gets you Lyft credits, $5 Lyft credits every month, and free shop runner benefits, which gets you 2-day shipping on a lot of these luxury shops like Neiman Marcus, Saks Fifth Avenue. There's also the HelloFresh benefit, gets you 5% back on every HelloFresh order, the Fandango rewards, as well as cell phone insurance, ID protection, no foreign exchange fees, purchase assurance against theft or damage, MasterCard Global Services Concierge, auto rental collision damage waiver, trip cancellation, trip delay, which will be reimbursed for 6 hours or more delay, and MasterCard Zero Liability Protection, and other premium experiences which I have not yet discovered. So please comment down below if you have tried out on those additional MasterCard Elite benefits. I'll be interested to find out as well. And these are actually some really amazing benefits that you don't normally see in a no annual fee credit card. For example, if you compare this to the Chase Freedom Unlimited, it actually charges a 3% fee on foreign transactions. As of the time of this recording, Bilt currently has 15 transfer partners, including 9 airlines, 2 hotels, and 4 fitness. And this number is on par if you compare to 2 of the biggest names out there, including the Chase Ultimate Rewards, which has 14 transfer partners, and American Express Membership Rewards, which has 20 transfer partners. And the best part about Bilt, its loyalty program portfolio is also growing. Just recently, it added United Airlines as its latest strategic partner. And because of that, Bilt is one of the only programs out there which covers 3 of the major flight alliances out there, including the Star Alliance, One World, and as well as SkyTeam. I was just so amazed to see, being such a brand new company, Bilt was able to establish so many great relationships in a short period of time. Because they have to get a lot of buy-in from these landlords or realty groups, as well as financial institutions like Wells Fargo, MasterCard, and all those different travel loyalty programs. So currently, the Bilt Alliance network has over 2 million rental units, including Avalon Bay Communities, Starwood Capital Group, Cushman and Wakefield, just to name a few. But if your landlord is not part of this alliance network, don't worry, because Bilt will actually send a check on behalf of you when you pay it through their credit card through the app. So I'm actually about to do that. Lucky you guys, I'll do a quick tutorial on my phone to show you guys how to pay your rent using the Bilt credit card even if your landlord is not part of their network. Alright guys, I'm on the Bilt app right now. You want to click on the Pay Rent tab. The first step you want to do is you want to enter your home address. And then the second step is you want to enter your landlord's information, including its name or what you would like the check to be payable to, as well as its address, where you would like the check be delivered. And after that, you want to click on make a rent payment and then put in how much your monthly rent is. So let me quickly enter that information. Click on next. And as you guys can see, there's no credit card transaction fee. And normally it would cost about 3%. Actually, my landlord has click pay system, which also charges about 3%. There's an option to allow you to pay with points. I actually wouldn't recommend you guys to use this option because I have about 25,000 points and it says I can only save it up to $142. After that, you want to edit the memo, right? So I always like to enter the memo, including my account information, etc. So we're going to change that to April due and then pay now. Voila! You get a confirmation that your payment is submitted, and you can actually track the progress right here under the recent payment status. So if you enjoyed this video so far, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're interested in learning about other travel or credit card hacks. Alright guys, now you have understood how you can pay rent through Bilt. Now let's talk about what some ways to redeem your Bilt reward points. The first way is through the Bilt collection. If you look at their app, there are a bunch of things you can redeem. You can redeem for paintings, you can redeem for like a gift or any of the home decors. So this smoke tumbler set definitely looks super interesting, and which costs 7,500 points. And this chain link candelabra is also another really interesting one. And during Valentine's Day, Bilt actually has also just recently put out some Valentine's Day special Bilt collection. So that's just something to watch out for if there's any upcoming special holidays. You might also want to pay close attention to their app and see if there's any other new items you can redeem. And then the second one is through flights. So as I said previously, there are a total of 9 flight partners, including American Airlines, Aeroplan, United, Emirates, Flying Blue, Hawaiian, Turkish, Virgin, and Asia Miles. What I really like about this is one of my favorite transfer partners here is actually Turkish Airline. So if you have watched my previous video on how to book a free trip to Hawaii, in that video I had actually explained how using Turkish Airline you only have to pay 7,500 points one way when you book a flight from West Coast to Honolulu or Maui. So if you're interested in checking out that video, I also link it on the screen up here and inside the description box. And another function with Bilt is you can actually search rewards flight. So for example, let's say I want to search from JFK. Bilt also tells you how much it would cost for different airline partners. Unfortunately, right now it only has AAdvantage and Aeroplan built in. No United, given United is actually a brand new partner, and then no Turkish Airlines, things like that. So if you want to transfer points with any of those transfer partners, you have to go to their website to see how much points required. And then let's also look at the hotel. Currently Bilt has 2 partners, Hyatt, which is my favorite hotel partners out there. If you guys have been following my channel, you know I'm a big fan of Hyatt, not just because it's high caliber and also quality of services, but also because it's actually one of the best hotel partners when you want to maximize that value per point. And Hyatt, based on TPG valuation, worth about 1.7 cents per point. So to me, it's a no-brainer. And if you're thinking about booking an expensive trip such as this modern and this Maui, don't forget to watch my previous tutorial as well. There's also IHG as another hotel partner, and right now Bilt is running a promotion that you can get 100 bonus points when for every loyalty program you link. So there are a total of 11 loyalty programs. So if you link all of them, you're essentially getting 1100 points for free. And last but not least, the last way to redeem your points is through its fitness partners. And they have 4 right here: SoulCycle, which had classes starting at 2600 points, Solid Core, Y7, as well as Rumble Boxing. So Rumble Boxing have actually a studio near me. I was interested in signing up for their classes, but then just to point out that if you care about value per point, redeeming for fitness class is probably not your best choice, just because a normal class will also cost about $35. Alright guys, let's also talk about some additional tips that gets you extra Bilt points. So the number one is through referrals. If you refer up to 5 people, you can get up to 25,000 points. And so if you're interested in supporting my channel, I'll put my referral link inside the description box. Make sure you click through that when you're registering for a Bilt account. And second is that you're actually getting 2x of any non-ramp purchases in the first 30 days. So if you have a big purchase coming up, this is a good time to sign up. And then the third way, or is a limited option that's happening, is you get 500 Bilt points when you're linking it to AAdvantage or American Airlines loyalty program. And then the last but not least way is that 100 point bonus. If you link it through all those transfer partners, that's effectively 1100 points you would be able to get. Alright, everything I've talked about so far are some great benefits of getting Bilt, but are there any catches? So the first catch is that you actually have to make 5 transactions every month to be eligible to those rewards points. A really easy way to do that is to charge it through Amazon Balance, $1 to Amazon Balance. That's what I've been doing for every month. And then the second catch is that Bilt also has this status tier system, which in my opinion is a little confusing. It has 4 tiers: blue, silver, gold, and platinum. And by default, you will be at the blue transfer tier. And as you move up to the tier system, you get extra bonuses: 10, 25, or 50 bonus on these incentive points from participant properties. But Bilt didn't list who these participant properties are. I don't really sure how this incentive program works. There's also interest earned on points, which personally I haven't met 25,000 points just yet, so I'm really interested in figuring out like if there's interest, how much is the interest, and etc. And just to keep in mind that qualification, it's also refreshed every year, so you actually have to earn 25,000 points in a calendar year to be silver, and then being able to renew it if you do the same thing over and over. So if you are just getting into the credit card game and is also a renter, this is the #1 credit card I would recommend you guys to get due to all these great benefits I have explained in this video. So make sure you click on my referral link inside the description box if you want to support this channel. Thanks guys, see you in the next one.